Hi, so today we'll be talking about clauses. So starting off, what is a clause? Clauses are a group of words that complete a thought. There's two types of clauses. This includes an independent clause and a dependent clause. And in order to connect these two clauses, we have a subordinate conjunction. So first off, we have the independent clause. This can stand alone in a sentence and makes sense as itself in a sentence. So, an example of this is the poor woman had no money because she lost her job. Here, the independent clause or the subject of the sentence is the poor woman had no job. So, this can stand alone as a sentence. So, the next example, he slept all day but was still tired. So, here, he slept all day is the independent clause. Next, Sarah knew that she didn't get the award because she cheated. Here, Sarah knew that she didn't get the award is the independent clause. So next we have the dependent clause. This doesn't make sense alone out of a sentence and doesn't express a complete thought. So using the same example, the poor woman had no money because she lost her job. Here, because she lost her job is the dependent clause. This can't be a sentence on its own. He slept all day but was still tired. Here but was still tired is the dependent clause. And last, Sarah knew that she didn't get the award because she cheated. Here, because she cheated is the dependent clause. So last we have the subordinate conjunction, and this is found in these sentences, and this could be a phrase or just a single word. And if it's a phrase, it starts off with the conjunction. So here, the subordinate conjunction of the first sentence is because that's the point where the independent clause ends and the dependent clause starts. Here, in the second example, he slept all day but was still tired. But is a subordinate conjunction. And in the last sentence, Sarah knew that she didn't get the award because she cheated because is a subordinate conjunction. Thank you for listening.